Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Your Success Matters. I'm your host, Velvet Briere. If you're new to this channel, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos I post. So today we're going to be doing a opening of my honor roll postcard stamp system welcome kit. Yay, it came in the mail finally came in the mail today. So I'm going to open this right now so you guys can see what comes in it. Open it. It's got tape on it. Sorry guys, take a minute. Hold on 1 second here. There we go. Got it. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So this is 212 Marketing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but 212 Marketing is the name of the company. And here we go. So here is hold on. Okay. So here's my welcome to the honor roll postcard stamp system welcome letter. Okay, you guys see Thais Johnson is my sponsor. So it says, "Welcome Velvet. We're so glad you have joined us in this opportunity. I'm sure you know that stamps are the single biggest expense in any direct mail program. It is our goal for this program to help you eliminate that expense in your business altogether. Enclosed, you will find your personalized postcard and insert templates for the honor roll postcard stamp system. You will find that there are a total of 4 templates in your welcome kit, 2 in color and 2 in black and white. That way you have a little variety. I've also enclosed your templates on both paper and cardstock. Hopefully this will help your templates last multiple printings, but if you ever need a fresh new template, I can email one right away. All you need to do is get started is simply print the 4x postcard template to create a 4.2 by 5.5 postcards, then cut, stamp, label, and mail them out. The enclosed inserts after printing can then be cut into thirds and included in whatever envelope mailings you may do. We've had great success with this method and wanted to give you options in your mailings to help you be successful. I've also included a few surprises in this kit as well that you probably weren't expecting. I hope you'll find I like to do things a bit different than other admins you've probably worked with on other opportunities. You will see things like membership contests and bonuses from time to time as well. Simply put, I want to be the best admin you've worked with. I pride myself on going above and beyond what is expected of a program administrator. To give you an idea of what you can expect from me as the admin, number 1, I will process and mail out welcome kits throughout the week as they come in an effort to get your direct referrals excited and started quickly. Number 2, stamps will be mailed out on Tuesdays and Fridays of each week, including a notice as to who has joined you directly or residually. That's basically it. Feel free to reach out to me anytime you need anything, as I'm more than happy to help. Again, welcome aboard. I'm glad you're here. Scott. Scott is the admin of the honor roll postcard stamp system, and this is my welcome letter. Okay? And these are the templates. This is the postcards templates right here on regular paper. Okay? This is the front of the postcard. This is the back of the postcard. Okay? That's on regular paper. Okay. And right here is the postcards again, black and white. So these are in color. Sorry, I was just, I'm excited, you guys. So these are in color. This is the front, that's the back of the postcard. This is the front in color. Okay. This is the black and white postcard template on regular paper in color. Okay. And then we have here the flyers right here. The flyers for the honor roll postcard stamp system in pink and color. Okay. And then the flyers in black and white on regular paper. Okay. And then here we have the cardstock for the postcards. This is cardstock paper here. This is this is the front of the postcard. This is the back of the postcard in color. Okay, and then we have the cardstock black and white postcard in color. Okay, this is the one you use when you're printing out. And also I'm going to show you guys something right now. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Right back, you guys. Be right back. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, sorry about that. I'm back. Had to. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this. Okay, so when you guys get a sign up on the Honor Roll postcard stamp system, okay, let me finish showing you guys. This is the flyer in color, and this is the black and white in color on stock paper. Okay, these are the leads right here. Leads. Okay. You get leads with this opportunity. That's another reason why I like it. Let me put these over here. Show you guys something really quickly. All right, I'm gonna show you this real quick. But let me back up, you guys. Let me go ahead and. Okay, so I'm gonna read you the postcard. Okay, so it says, the Honor Roll postcard stamp system. If you mail postcards and need postcard stamps, why not get them for free? Join the Honor Roll postcard stamp system and have hundreds of postcard stamps flooding your mailbox on a regular basis. Let's face it, stamps are the most expensive part of any direct mail program. With the Honor Roll postcard stamp system, you will get 60 postcard stamps from each person you directly sponsor, plus 40 postcard stamps residually from each person you direct sponsor. That is the true leverage of direct mail. Okay, so basically, anyone that joins under me directly, like say a friend of mine joins under me, right? I will get 60 postcard stamps, and then when someone else joins under me, I will get 60 postcard stamps, and every time somebody joins under me, my sponsor Thais Johnson will receive 40 stamps, postcard stamps. So this is a postcard stamp opportunity only, you guys. When you get a sign up, anyone joining you in the Honor Roll postcard stamp system will receive postcard stamps. You will receive postcard stamps only. And there's no cash involved, none of that. There's not a commission money thing. It's only postcard stamps. So if you need postcard stamps, this is a great opportunity to join, okay? So basically, to get started, simply return this card with your name and address along with 100 postcard stamps, either one roll of 100 or 5 sheets of 20. So you're going to send postcard stamps, okay? You're going to either send a roll of 100 postcard stamps or 5 sheets of 20 postcard stamps, along with $5 to admin. This is if you're mailing in the postcard or the flyer. If you're going to join by Cash App, you simply need to send $55 to admin, which is Scott. That'll cover the cost, including the stamps. You don't have to worry about buying stamps if you join through Cash App. So the first way to join is through the mail. If you're joining by mail, you're going to send this postcard and your 60 your stamps, your 100 stamps, postcard stamps, either one roll of 100 or 5 sheets of 20, along with $5 cash and this postcard filled out to admin, okay? And he will get you your welcome kit out to you, and he will also email you your template. If you're joining through Cash App, you're going to simply send $55 one time to admin. You're going to email him your name, your address, and the person you joined under. If you join under me, my name is Velvet Briere. You're going to give him my name, and he's going to send me the 60 postcard stamps for you joining, okay? That's how it works, okay? So this is what the postcard stamps are going to look like. I got these from the post office, you guys. So when you get postcard stamps from the Honor Roll postcard stamp system, the postcards are going to look similar to this, okay? And it's going to be 60, all right? Every time you get a sign up, it's going to be 60, okay? So that's how they're going to look. These are postcard stamps, okay? All right, that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Now, when you guys, let's be honest, printing costs, to get postcards printed, it costs, okay? I just recently got some postcards printed up for the Cash Money System Unlimited, and I'm not going to lie, it wasn't expensive, but, you know, it was pretty much up there. And I saved up enough money to get my postcards printed for the Cash Money System Unlimited opportunity. So I wanted to save you guys costs, because let's face it, printing out anything at a local print shop, it costs money. This is very inexpensive. I got this at Walmart for $7. It came out to $8 and some change. This is cardstock paper. You could print out your postcard templates, like the cardstock. You can print out your cardstock when you get your welcome kit. You can print out your flyers, your postcards on this paper right here. Okay, this is cardstock paper, and you can print out your postcards onto this paper here and mail them out that way. Okay, you can print out the front and the back on them. Okay, now what I did was, because I take my direct mail seriously, I got these. It comes with 60 sheets, and then I went back today and I bought these more cardstock paper. Okay, I'm taking my business seriously. So it comes with 150 sheets, you guys. So 200 altogether. No, 150. So it's going to be 211, I think. 210, something like that. So I got 150 sheets on this one and 60 sheets on this one. Okay, so that's basically it, you guys. I just wanted to come in here and show you guys my welcome kit for the Honor Roll Postcard Stamp System. Remember, if you're interested in joining, leave a comment below or email me at cashinyourmailbox@gmail.com, so you guys will be able to let me know if you're interested in joining, and I can send you the Cash App information. If you want to join through Cash App, I can send you that information. You can email me and I can send you the Cash App information that way. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in joining. If you're interested in joining, and I can you can email me. I can send you an email with the Cash App information. If you want to join by mail, I can mail you a postcard. I can email you a flyer, and you can join that way through the flyer. You just need to send. You need to send your name, your address, okay, along with the flyer and your 100 postcard stamps, either a roll of 100 postcard stamps or 5 sheets of 20 postcard stamps, to the address on the flyer or the postcard. If you're joining through Cash App, like I said, email me, and I can comment below letting me know you're interested in joining through Cash App, and I can and leave your email as well, and I can email you the Cash App information. Okay, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know I received my Honor Roll Postcard Stamp System welcome kit, and that's it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care and stay safe.